Hi guys, I have the 2012 Land Rover LR4 here. My wife has been complaining of this squeaky, squealing noise from the rear in the last few days. So it's Saturday and I have a little bit of time today. So I decided to take a look at what the problem might be. So to start with, I have this syringe and the needle. And I have this product in there called the No Squeak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the wheel and then I'm going to probe each of the suspension part, and probably I'm going to inject this into all of the suspension parts until I find out which one is actually squeaking. I'm going to start with one suspension part at a time. Alright, so let's start. So I'm going to take the tire out. Oh, hey guys, as you can see, I've jacked up the car. Notice where I have the where I placed the jack right underneath the lower control arm. It's a lot easier to jack up the car from there. You just pump the jack 1 or 2 times and the wheel is off the ground. And as you can see, I've also put a jack stand as well. So whenever you're working on the car, make sure you you could use a jack stand for safety. And people actually talk about opening the door or opening the hood while you're jacking up the car. For me, I've tried that a few times and it really didn't make any difference. So the best way for me is just to jack it up from the control arm. As you can see, the tire is completely off the ground and I'm ready to take out the wheel. So I'm going to start with the, this is the hub bushing. There's an upper bushing and there's also a lower one as well, which is right there if you can see it. So I'm going to inject the upper. Notice I'm injecting it from the top. And I'm going to do the bottom one as well. So I put the tire back. I'm going to go for it. First of all, I'm going to try and bounce the car. Yep, seems like the noise has stopped. So I'm gonna go for a test drive to see if the noise has stopped. I'm gonna give the car a minute to for the suspension to go back up. Yep, I feel it going back up. Yep, it's going up. Alright, now it's up. So I'm gonna go for a test drive. Yep, the noise has stopped because before I put oil in there, you wouldn't even drive 1 second and you would hear the noise. So now the noise has gone away. Yes, the noise is completely gone. Yes folks, the noise is gone. So now that I know the culprit, which is the upper and lower hub bushings, I'm gonna have those replaced. Usually once they start making noise like that, it's time to replace them. Greasing it alone wouldn't do. It's a lot safer to replace them. Alright, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope I'm able to help a few people out there. Thanks, bye.